What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here, and we have a crazy video today. You guys know I buy and sell a lot of media, right? I got shelves of it, and I'm going through stuff from my last pallet. Going through these dog obedience DVD sets right here. All the cases were busted, so I figured I'll cut them open with a pair of scissors and replace the cases with new ones so I could sell them online. Well, we open up the very first one right here and take a look at what's inside. Yep, that is marijuana. That is weed. The DVD case was hollowed out, and it's supposed to be a 3-disc case set. It was hollowed out, and there was weed in it. So I have 3 of them. I opened up the second one, and oh, what's that? Oh, that looks like a little bit more. So we have a third one right here that's still sealed. I figured I'd open it up live on camera. Let me adjust the camera so you guys can see what's inside of this, because this is insane. I've never had anything like this happen to me before. This is just a pallet. I bought pallets from this place before. They probably had no idea that's what this was. A lot of these are either Amazon returns or, you know, Walmart shelf pulls, Target shelf pulls. So I don't know where this came from. There's no Amazon sticker on it or anything. No idea, but let's open it up together and see what's inside. So here we are looking down at the desk. This is the still sealed one, and you can see they did a pretty good job. They even put a little sticker on the front. It says command card and booklet included. They added like a little American flag with an eagle. They taped it all up. You can't tell what's inside there. It's supposed to be 3 DVD set. Let's use our scissors, cut into this thing. We'll just cut right up here. We will rip it open. Oh man. This is easily one of the craziest things that has ever happened to me selling online. So let's see what's in here. Oh, it looks like we have, this is a thick bag. That is a thick bag. Holy cow. It's all taped up. You can see the DVD case was hollowed out. I might have more of these. I don't think so though. I'm pretty sure these were the only 3 that I got. Absolutely wild. Let's weigh this up on my scale and see how much all of this weighs. We got the scale out. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. And let me get a little bit of a closer look here. All right, here is my scale. Let's put the first bag on. 1.2 ounces, about 4 ounces, about 6, you know, because the plastic bag, so it's probably about 6 ounces of weed right here. That is absolutely insane. I don't think I have any more, like I said, but what happened? So I already contacted the guy that I bought this stuff from, and I let him know. We did a live Instagram chat or whatever, and I showed him, like, this is what I just found. He's like, that's insane. I asked him if he knew anything about it. He said no. He just buys the pallets, right? He doesn't buy the pallets. He buys like individual boxes of returned media, stuff like that, right? And then he puts all of them into boxes and stacks them on a pallet, and then I buy the pallets. So he's kind of the middleman for a bigger company who then buys from other companies. So it's gone down a crazy chain of people. So I don't think there's any way to know where this stuff came from, especially because these DVD sets that are all busted that I tried to open don't have any factors to say where they come from. I don't even know if these are real DVDs, to be honest. Like, it just says Nakamoto's Basic Dog Obedience, the Historical Archives. Never heard of it. I haven't even looked it up to see if they sell online. It doesn't matter because I don't have the DVDs. Instead, I got weed. So that's cool. It's probably worth more, honestly. The lucky thing is where he shipped them from, to me, weed's legal. It's completely legal here in Connecticut. So I don't think I could get in trouble for having this here. Do I bring it to the police? I don't know, probably, because it's not like I'm gonna smoke this. This is, I don't know 100% what the, I mean, I know it's clearly weed, so that is insane. What? Easily the weirdest thing that's ever happened to me. If you guys have any ideas on what to do, what I should do, let me know down below in the comments, because I am completely confused here. I still have a few things left from that pallet, and I'm actually getting another pallet of media shipped to me on Monday. Hopefully it'll be here Monday. Today's Saturday, so just a couple days. If I find any more of these Nakamoto's Basic Dog Obedience, then we will probably have another video. I might find some sitting in a box somewhere. You see how much is back there. I have boxes and boxes of stuff that I haven't gotten to yet, and there's a good chance that I might have another one of these. So, completely wild. You can't really smell too much through it. That's probably how, I mean, I don't know. They vacuum sealed the heck out of these things, so pretty wild. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below again if you have any ideas on what to do, subscribe if you haven't already. This isn't the normal content, but this is completely wild. Normally I'm just buying and selling DVDs and video games and toys and clothing and regular stuff on eBay and Amazon, not this. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.